Hello, beautiful Emerson children. This is Miss Guerr with Primary Math, and we're in the golden beads, and this is retrieving quantities with the tray of nines. So for today, I have my son Miles assisting me, and we are going to do a lesson for you so you can use your golden beads to also practice retrieving quantities at home. So for this lesson, you will need 2 work rugs or a table and a work rug. You will need 9 units, 9 of your paper units, 9 of your 10 bars, 9 of your 100 squares, and 1,000 cube. So for this lesson, I'm going to show you how to lay it out on the rug. This would be where you would put it on the rug. I'm going to show you how to lay it out with the actual golden beads, but you're going to lay it out with the paper beads because those are the materials that you have at home in your packet. So if you need to pause the video to go collect your paper beads and get a bath mat or towel or something out to lay this out, now is the time to do so, to collect all those things that you need. Okay, so now we're going to move on. Unit. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. So let's count these units again. 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit, 5 unit, 6 unit, 7 unit, 8 unit, 9 unit. We also call these ones. So 1 1, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones, 6 ones, 7 ones, 8 ones, 9 ones. So now we're going to move over to our 10 bars. 10 bar. So this is one 10 bar that has 10 units. 1 10 bar, 2 10 bar, 3 10 bar, 4 10 bar, 5 10 bar, 6 10 bar, 7 10 bar, 8 10 bar, 9 10 bar, 9 10 bar. Okay, so now we're going to lay out our 100 squares, our 100 squares. 100 square, 200 square, 300 square, 400 square, 500 square, 600 square, 700 square, 800 square, and then 900 square. I'm going to scoot these in a little bit more. Okay, so I have everything set up. I should have my ones at the top, 10s in the middle, 100s at the bottom, and we're going to put our 1,000 cube over here. Okay, So now that we have our floor work set up for this lesson, now we need to get our table or another work rug set out for this lesson. So for video purposes, Miss Guerra has another work rug here where we're gonna be playing our retrieving game. And then you're gonna need some type of tray. So at home, you may not have a tray. So I wanted to bring out a few examples of things that I'm going to use throughout the Golden Bead lessons. I have a paper plate, clean paper plate, a clean small plate, that's a tea plate, and then a lid to a plastic tub that I have. Now for this lesson, I'm going to use just this plastic tub lid so you can see the materials on top, okay? So I have my rug, or you can use the table, and then a tray. So if you need to pause the video to go collect those materials, do so now. Okay, so Miles is going to be assisting me today. I am going to give him a quantity to retrieve from the tray of nines. So you are going to be Miles during this. So when I have him go retrieve something from the tray of nines, I want you to retrieve that as well. So have your tray ready, whatever you're using for your tray, and I want you to hold it just like Miles is. 2 strong hands. So I hope you're ready, because what I tell Miles to go retrieve, I want you to go retrieve as well. Okay? So if you're not ready for this part yet, pause the video and get yourself ready and then push play. Miles, can you go get 3 ones or 3 units? We'll wait a couple seconds for you to get back if you're not back yet. Okay, so let's see what he has. Remember, you're going to be using paper beads. He has 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units. Beautiful. You should have 3 units on your table or your second mat. Miles, can you get me 4 10 bars? 4 10s. 4 10 bars. All right, we'll wait a couple seconds for you to finish up getting your 10 bars. Remember, 4 10 bars. Okay, now we're ready. 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10s. 4 10 bars. Beautiful, Miles. All right, for your next one, I want you to get 600 squares. 600. 600 squares. Beautiful, 2 strong hands. All right, we're gonna wait a couple of seconds for you to get your 600 squares. 600. Okay, let's count. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. 600 squares. 600. All right, Miles, I want you to collect 2 ones and 2 tens. When you're collecting, remember 2 ones and 2 tens. All right, we'll wait a couple of seconds for you to finish collecting. 2 ones or 2 units and 2 tens. Okay, let's count. 1 unit, 2 unit, so 2 ones or 2 units, 1 10, 2 tens, so 2 ones and 2 tens. All right, Miles, I want you to gather 3 tens and 2 hundreds. 3 tens and 2 hundreds, and you collect 2. 3 tens and 2 hundreds. Beautiful. We're going to wait a couple of seconds for you to finish collecting. All right, let's count. 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 100, 200. So 3 tens and 2 hundreds. All right, Miles, this one's gonna be a little bit harder, okay?
Okay.
So I want you to collect, and you too, 4 ones, 100, and 1,000. 4 ones, 100, and 1,000. And I'll say it again while he's going over. 4 ones, 100, and 1,000. Beautiful. I'll give you a couple of seconds if you need to finish retrieving. Okay, let's count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 4. Now let's see how many 100 squares. 100 square. 1,000 cube. So he collected 4 ones, 1 100, and 1 1,000. Beautiful, Miles. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you click into the next video that's after this one. It's more practice on retrieving quantities with the tray of 9s. See you next time.